Morning, Coach.
Good morning. Check, check, check. Going live on all the things now.
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Today, if you guys look at the Traders Lounge today, you're going to take yourselves out of the equation. Throw yourselves in the trash today. We're going to get that out of the way right now. Open the trash lid and get in it. You will get out of your own way today. You will trust the training, do the things, and click the buttons. Thank you. Appreciate you. Let's get this party started, shall we?
Good morning, Vietnam!
All right. It is now 9:02. We are live on all the things. If you guys can hear me everywhere, let me know. That would be great. Station identification time. There is 150 members in my Zoom. We'll have around 300 to 350 once the bell opens. Everybody, let's do a sound check. Open up your mics. Let everybody know where you're from.
Good morning,
Miami.
North Carolina.
Good morning
Good
from
morning.
the state of Arkansas.
Connecticut.
Good morning.
Come on, Coach. You know we got that Toronto up in the house.
Yes.
Arizona.
Blue Jays. Go Blue Jays.
Good morning from Denver.
Good morning.
Alabama.
Do you know when I was in Dunedin, they had the Blue Jay spring training was there?
It's been the home of the Blue Jays for a long time.
Yep, it was right. That was right by my house, by the way. I mean, I could have walked right over there every day. The field house was right there.
That's one of the things I liked about Wrigley Field, that they had some high-rise apartments right over the wall, and people would be out on the balcony watching the game, not even at the stadium.
Throwing 40 ounces at you.
Yeah.
Little Mad Dog 2020 coming at you. Good stuff. All right. Sound check is good. We are live and ready to rock and roll. It's 9:03. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, David, Palm Coast, Eminem, Ralph, Max, Derek, Dan, Chad, James, Richard, and soon Troy over at American Dream AI. So appreciate everybody being here. Thank you to all my military family and all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Wow, we got the real one today. Appreciate you. Okay, we got all the things happening. Sorry, I'm checking like 1,800 different things. We got automations running. We got systems banging things out. We've already posted all of the things for our premium and above members. Hopefully you guys are checking the market prep. I've been trying to tell you to do that every day. We've already posted the trading ideas. The trading ideas are key critical levels that you'll use on these stocks at the beginning of the bell and throughout the day. We do this every single day. We give you those critical areas on Apple, AMD, Amazon, Google, IWM, Netflix, NVIDIA, Soxel, SPY, and Tesla. We give that to you every single day before the bell rings. Also, you guys should already be looking at the daily watch list for our premium and above members. We've already posted every single stock that has the highest potential to run today. We do that every day before the bell. We've posted everything there is to know about all IPOs, including any that have just released or any that are upcoming, and all the information for it. Every link to use to dig in deeper. We've posted the earnings this morning at 7:15, so you know exactly what earnings are coming out today. Of course, we post our newsletter every Sunday for the whole week to prepare you and futures newsletter. We've already posted the morning brief to get you started today. The econ calendar and any alerts and any high impact data has already been published, so you know exactly when and where to look on all news. And of course, we have our market close wrap up we do every single night, so you can review what happened during the day. Is everybody using all this information? I mean, this would literally cost hundreds of dollars if you had to just subscribe to all these services. Is everybody using this?
Yes, coach.
Sure. Yeah. Very helpful.
I use a lot of them.
Thank you. Somebody on TikTok just said no sound. Is that true? Everybody on TikTok, type in a 1 if you can hear me. Okay, there's a 1. Anybody else? Just trying to see sound or no sound. Is it on Peter's side or is it across the board? Sound or no sound? Everybody on TikTok, type in a 1. Sound or no sound? There's a 1. Okay, Peter, that's on your end, partner. Something's going on. Everybody else can hear me. If you guys are watching us over on TikTok, thank you again so much for being here. Just remember, everything we discuss is not financial, tax, or investment advice. It's for training and education purposes only. If this is your first time being here, my name is Chad, aka The Coach. I've been trading the stock market for 34 years. This is American Dream Trading. We are the leaders in stocks, options, and futures for trading communities. We have the greatest traders and trainers on earth right here. We have created the most millionaires out of every community that's ever existed. That's it. Boom, done. Put that on the wall. The best. Number 1, the best. Done. 3 lines. There you go. Fill it out. Do the things. Put it on the billboards. All the stuff. Appreciate you. We got about 21 minutes, give or take, to the bell. I don't know what that is. Florida's calling me. Wants daddy back. Right? Every time I see a Florida call, I'm like, take me home. Oh, you guys are terrible. Okay. Yesterday we did over $1 million for our members. The day before, we did over $1 million for our members. The day before that, on Monday, we did $1 million for our members. Okay, I guess we'll try to do it again, right? I guess we'll see what we can do. On average, we are averaging over $2 million per week, every week, since inception of the company and being live every day. Every single week, we've been doing that. Today, I think, as reported by my members, I think we're already up around $150,000 and the market's not open yet. So, we'll see how it goes today. Did anybody make any money yesterday, by the way? You want to open the mics and let the world know if you made any money yesterday? We were here for hours.
Hoorah, coach.
Thank you.
Hoorah.
Sure did.
Yep.
You can make Sundays
Absolutely.
in a row.
I did.
I'll hold. I'm sure there's more than 8 of you.
I was green yesterday. I did.
I was just still thinking about that comment you just made, Coach. How you said that we're already up over $100,000 and the market's not even open. Like, think about that. Like, there's a line of people outside the door of a business, and they all got money in their pocket already, and the place ain't even open. Just think about how simple this clickety click is.
It's pretty wild, isn't it? The fact of how hard everybody has to work on your 9 to 5 jobs, right? And then a couple clicks of the button, clickety click, right?
I
Just-
thought my mic was open, Coach, and it wasn't. But yesterday was a beautiful day.
Oh,
Today
good.
we got the PPI numbers. They're actually lower, so it'll be another beautiful day.
Yay. And that's why the market is green right now. No news is good news. SPY is up, Apple's up. Pretty much the whole market is up. Of course, we've been getting the run up from SpaceX. Soxel, of course, yesterday had another banger day. If you guys are writing cover calls, cash secure puts on some of these amazing super volatile stocks, you're welcome.
Everything is awesome.
Everything is great. Good morning, Max. Glad you're here. I heard you slept in till noon today.
Felt like it. I looked at my watch and I'm like, oh, I still got an hour. I'm like, oh shit, that's Texas time.
Max alerted us and said, I slept in late. I'm gonna be in at like 6 p.m.
You don't want me unrested. I'm crabby.
I know it. I hear that. Krabby
Mm.
Patty. Very nice. Yesterday we had boot camp. Any boot camp campers in the room? Was it another amazing class? Any boot camp campers in here?
Come on, Coach. You
Incredible,
know I'm up
boss.
in here, Coach. Come on now,
It was
Coach.
terrific.
Amazing. I already put myself in the trash can this morning.
Yo, good job. Throw yourselves in the trash can.
It was okay.
Everybody get it. It was okay. It was just all right, I guess. Everybody get in the trash
Kinda
can.
short.
That's your job today. What do you mean throw myself in the trash? Oh, it's such a good visualization. I can't even I can't not say it anymore. I just think it's great. Yesterday. Okay, let's talk a little bit about yesterday since we got about 17 minutes to review this. What is my number one trade A+ that I look for every single day? What is it?
Double top.
Double tops, double bottoms.
There you go. Double top, double bottom. Let's look at SPY real quick. I want everybody to look at SPY. Can everybody see what the very open of SPY was yesterday? See this? Here, let me
Double top.
yeah, let me blow this up for you. Let me blow this up a little bit here for you, okay? Right there is pre-market high previous day and previous day high. That's the number one thing we're looking for is right there. If you made one trade yesterday, just one, this is the A+ setup you had within the first 1 minute of the day, and you made millions. Congratulations. That's it.
Congratulations.
Yep, that's it. That's all you had to do. You didn't have to do anything else. We
So,
didn't
Coach,
have
what do you?
we
would
didn't
that be
have
at the open?
we didn't have to chase VWAP and 200 and bounce and all the other stuff, did we? It's one trade. Now remember what I said. Once you get good at this, 9 minutes. Coach's 9-minute workday, right? Within the first 9 minutes of the bell, once you are good at this, you are done, right? Done. Stop making everything so freaking complicated. Seriously. So take yourself, get in the trash can, stay in there. Just the only thing you can leave out is your hand. Like the thing you guys remember from the Addams Family. All you get is your little hand sticking out of the trash can. And then speakers so you can hear me. Oh, let me help you out. Oh, it's a double top. Hold on, it's a double top. Ready? Trash can. Hand comes out. That's it. Close the lid.
Hey, Coach, would you be looking at that again today?
Every
since it's right
day.
there again before bell.
Every single day.
Loud and clear. Thank you, sir.
Without exception, every
Okay, I got two things on my brain.
single
One of the things I on your brain.
You finish what you're doing there, and then ask me what
Hold
are the things
on.
your
No, we're
brain?
not asking you nothing, Sam. I got us, Mike. So again, take your hand. You can reach it out. One click. Good. Oh, nice. Look, it's gone beyond what I paid for it. Here comes the other one. Ready? Move that stop. You're done. That's it. But I want to keep clicking stuff, and I want to move things, and then I want to get in and out and in and out and in and out and in and out and in and out. Knock it off. We all on the same page today? Are we all on the same page today?
Yes, coach.
Okay, thank you.
sir.
Okay, all right, great. Good stuff. Let's see. Precision says, does MNQ have a double top going on right now? Probably, because if SPY does, NQ does as well. So let's take a look. Yes, it is. Yep, it already had it. It already hit it, and it already pulled back. Does everybody see it? If you were trading NQ this morning, you already hammered the double top. Am I right? You know I am. You don't pay me to be wrong. Look at NQ. Was that or was that not a double top pullback?
Totally.
Okay. Let's take a look at ES. All my futures traders. ES. Is it or is it not on a double top?
I'd say so.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Remember, if I say SPY, ES. If I say ES, most likely SPY, and of course NQ. They all kind of follow each other, right? Okay, great. There's SPY up on this double top. Now, the way that this is going to be handled, we will watch at the bell. We will use, since it already hit up here, but this is all double top action right here. Okay. So what we're going to be looking for, as always, right, off of a double top, the trade will look like this. This is a giant cup. Cup. Looking to break through, retest, either then tank or bounce. That's all we're looking for. That's all we're looking for. Obviously, if it hits the double top, which it typically does, it does this. 90% of the time, results not guaranteed, but typically, once it does the cup, it pulls back to a handle. It could be the 9, could be the 21, could be VWAP before we look at the retest. Correct?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Keep singing it, coach. Keep
Okay.
singing it.
Right?
Correct.
This is typically what the move looks like. But we had good numbers come out for PPI. Okay, which means typically that is more like a catalyst. So that's good news. Typically means green. But we check our bias at the door. So those of you that are wanting to load the boat on your little bias, trash cans that way. Right over there. Open the lid and get in it. Great.
Can I ask a question on this double top?
Whoa. Fire in the hole. Go ahead, VJ.
Yeah, coach. I was looking at SPY on the 15-minute chart. Could we be on the handle already?
It's really hard to hear you. And the and the 15
Is that
minute,
better?
and the 15 minute doesn't matter. It's exactly like the 1 minute. This is the cup. Everybody see it? This is the cup. That's it. Okay. Okay, great. And what does it typically do if it runs up in the pre-market? What does it typically do? Not always, but what does it typically do statistically if it runs up in the pre-market?
Pulls back.
Pull back.
Taking profit.
Profit.
Okay.
Tank.
Okay, great. So we'll keep an eye on it. Now, if you look back 3 days ago, isn't this funny if you look at this? So 3 days ago, 775 was the mark. So I, of course, will be watching for 775 because that is actually the triple top. We're just getting the variance at 774.80-ish because it's 30 to 60 cents. Isn't this funny, though? Look back. Does everybody see this? Look back. Look how many times. Look at this 775. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's a big measure, low value of resistance.
Right
La
here.
résistance.
Right here, right here, right here. 775.
Big resistance.
Yep. Over and over and over and over and over and over and again. Now, this is the 4th time it has tapped on it. If we were day trading and all of this was happening today, wouldn't I tell you the more times it touches that level, the more likely it has the ability to break through? Would I or would I
Yes.
not tell you that?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Absolutely.
Yep. So this is the 4th time. This isn't like first double top. Wee. This isn't even third double top. Wee. This is now 4th time double top. So the odds are getting stacked against it pulling back. This is not just a one-time beautiful setup pullback. We're at 4. 4. Now here's what's cool, though. This is what's cool, ladies and gentlemen. If you follow any of my rules, my strategy, that means you were able to see it here. There's 1. You were able to see it here is 2. And here we are 3. So you already would have done it off of 1, 2 times. Now we're at the 3rd time, right? Okay, great. The other thing that I need you to pay attention to, we got 6.5 minutes to the bell. I want you to look at every one of those. Every one of those. By the way, this one was technically the beginning of it. Can you guys see this right here? That was the beginning of it. That's our variance. See it? So this is where it started. Popped up. Look how much you would have gained. Did it again. Popped up. Right here's the open. Look how much you would have gained. What did it do again? Popped up at the open. Look how much you would have gained. Are you starting to see a trend?
Yep.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, I see it.
Is that amazing or what? When you look back and see what it's been doing, it's like, oh my gosh.
Amazing.
Right? Double tops, double bottoms. Now we have this gold level. All of this. You can see where it was bouncing and using it, right? So we need to be paying attention through all of this on what exactly is going on, where exactly we're looking for these key areas. And remember, while you're trading, always look left for the data, okay? So what do I mean? Well, guess what? We break through 775. We break through. Do you guys have data? If I look left, do you guys see where it's going next? I don't. I don't have any data here. Does anybody got data? Nope. So that then tells me instead of, right, maybe we go to a 15, okay? Or an hour or a 4 hour. Go back until you have data. If it's new high, if it's just all-time high, then we will start looking at variance and you guys can ask me questions on that. But if we go back, look at this, okay? If we go back, so when we break, if we can break on through to the other side, I'll be here all week, I know. If we break on through to the other side, then we're going to be using this setup. Right here, and right here. These are what we're looking for. 775.50 up to 776.50. See it? So we have to go back until we have data. This is the data. All right. That's what we're watching for today. So again, and I repeat, we are looking for a pullback of 775. Now remember, it could break through. If you get a break and hold through 775, you're not shorting it. Take the L, walk away, look and see if the momentum is continuing. Use the next area, 775.50 and 776.50. Okay. Otherwise, I'm telling you though, what I'm looking for out of this gate is I'm looking for it to flush out of here before it tries to make that move, right? Just because that's typically what it does. So the way that you guys can mitigate the damage is we go in small with a looser stop, right? Okay, great. Small with a looser stop. Excuse me. Now, futures members, you do the exact same thing with ES or MES. So you'll do the exact same thing with MES, which is the small version. If you trade NQ, which I don't recommend, it would be MNQ. Okay. If you're trading SPY, I don't recommend it. You will be trading SPXU or SPXL, just depending on which side you want to go. You will be able to minimize your risk because those will be smaller position sizes. You won't have as much capital, therefore you won't have as much risk. Any questions before we get into it? We got 2 minutes. Does this all make sense?
About
Perfect.
clear mud,
Yeah.
right, Coach?
100%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good deal. Now, remember what we always talk about. If you have a good day in the market, minute 45 seconds left. If you have a good day in the market, pay off some debt. You can look at long-term strategy, make sure longer-term strategies, right? Holding stocks, covered calls, things like that. Make sure you guys have your emergency fund, which should be 6 to 12 months of your regular salary saved in case of an oh crap moment or you lose your jobs or something happens. Make sure, right? The biggest part, of course, is paying off that debt so you're not trading with your back against the wall. The more you're trying to make, the harder this will become. Has anybody noticed that once I make somebody a millionaire, that it appears to be so much easier for them to make more money from that? Now, number one, obviously, they've become a great trader, right? But number two, the risk tolerance has changed, right? They're able to offset. Oh, I'm down 16, down 20, down 22. Boom, I'm up 35. I'm up 100,000, right? Once you get this, you have a little bit more wiggle room, right? And to them, then it becomes, you know, for all of us, it looks like a larger amount, but for them, it's not. It's actually a smaller amount, right? So get
20
good.
seconds.
Get good at what you're doing. Don't try to get the money. It's not a money thing. It's a trading thing. Become a great trader and the success will follow you. Don't go the other way. All right. And just like on this, on the pullback, we don't know how much or if it will, but here we go. Let's do it. And there's your pullback. I win. I win.
Took it.
Yep. Was I right or wrong?
Again, you are correct.
Look at that. The largest pull in history, right? Off of exactly to the freaking penny 775. Yep. I'll see all of you in Elite Boot Camp or my brand new Tier 1, Tier 2, or my $1 million Tier 3 program. I'll see you all over there. Thank you. it when it-
DFSC suspended to the upside.
So do I get some sort of standing ovation clap or no?
Stakes.
Thank you. Thank you. Did you notice it went all the way down to the 200 MA? So we're looking for a reversal off the 200 MA. Yes.
Yes.
Isn't all of this exactly what you're trained on?
Boot camp.
Thank you.
Russell's to the upside, coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Who made money? Who's done for the day? It's been a minute and a half. Tell me now.
I'm done, but I made $500.
Thank you.
I did
Boom.
300.
Shakalaka. That's what
On
I'm-
ES.
Thank you.
Really
Appreci-
difficult getting out of SPY option positions.
Yeah, usually sell it at market when it's like that, partner. Yep, that's because super high volume, right? Lot pouring in right out of the gate.
My order is still sitting. It didn't take any more order. I
Market
had to
orders.
cancel everything. It was crazy.
Yep, market orders. It's the only way to
Thank-
get them in there. Here's
Yup.
here's the thing, whether you just made $1 million or not. What is the most important lesson you all learned live today? Whether you made millions or not off of that trade, what's the most important thing?
Trust the training.
There you go.
Look
Trust the
left.
training.
Yeah, trust the
Trust the
pro-
training. Trust the training.
Trust the
That's it.
process.
Yep. Trust the training. That's it. Take you, throw your shit out. Throw yourself right in a garbage can.
There is one more, coach.
Yeah, tell me, Randall.
Coach is a
The
genius.
genius. Appreciate you. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Marine Knight says, I'm done. $775 freaking dollars. Nice. Derek says Dow rejected off previous day high as well. Textbook. Good job. You know what's funny? We set it up, told you exactly what to do before it happened, not a rewind replay, right? Before it happened. $1 million in the bank. Done. Glorious. Yes, all the boot camp sessions are recorded, Michael. It's glorious. We talk about this stuff every day in Elite and boot camp, and of course, my one-on-ones. You guys all know that I did open up my one-on-ones, which I never do, right? Okay, great. I've got 3 flavors. I'm going to announce them now, and I know the market's doing its own thing. You already made your money. You're freaking done. You had a pullback off of a natural double top into a 200 reversal. You're done. If I got to tell you any more than that, I don't know what else to do. Come on. Anyways, one-on-one with me, 50K, 3 hours per month for 6 months. Or you can get the 4 hours per month for a year for 100K. Or if you're a genius, you'll take the $1 million founder seat. I only have one of those. You will work with me for a full day each week for a year. Could you imagine, by the way, if you were sitting with me in the room, Taji, could you imagine, right? We were working together on that trade during that live situation. Could you imagine what that would look like? Yeah, you know exactly what it looks like. Look at this. So is this or is this not a full cup and handle breakthrough? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yep.
I mean, you said it earlier. I've been trying to do it 4 times. Chances are it's going to have a little bit of a, rubber band effect. Pull back a little bit and pew!
But the most beautiful thing of that was the perfect double top pullback to the 200 MA reversal. Bang, back up to the top. Broke through. You get a break and hold, and you know what to do. You guys are trained on this. And everybody that's still staring and like blinking, like, but, you didn't throw yourself in the trash today. You are not in the trash with your little fat, greasy pork sausage spam fingers clicking the button. Here, I'll simulate it with my little fat sausages for you. Beep, beep, beep. There you go. That one. Click, 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 click. There you go. Look how I helped you out right there. It's
Coach, you want to hear that today?
It's 9:36. How many of you are done for the day? Talk to me now.
Yes, I am 50% total count.
Oh my gosh. Anybody else? Anybody else done for the day?
Yes, sir. 2,600.
Did you say $2,600? What the? Goodness gracious.
I'm still in it, coach, on the upside.
Oh, very nice. Oh, I see. My boot campers. My boot campers are. Where are my boot campers at? All of you should be making money. Boot campers, talk to me. Every single boot camper I watch. Tell me now. Boot campers, open your
Yes,
mics.
coach. Did it.
Straight cash, homie. Straight cash.
Yes. Come
Never
on.
made it there. No moves.
Come on. Come on. Every boot camper knows. Take yourself, zip it, do the things, trust the training. Every one of my boot campers, I have 53 of you in this session. Every one of you should have been able to make money on that. Yes or no?
Yes, we got out too soon.
Thank you. We'll
Absolutely.
talk. Thank you.
It's awesome.
Thank you. It's awesome. I love that.
18 days straight green.
18 days straight green. Have you ever done that before boot camp?
Nope, my biggest streak.
Proof's in the pudding, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. You heard it first. That wasn't from me. There you go. Bingo.
Coming up on 10 months green.
10 months green. That's awesome. That's
Thank you,
incredible.
Coach.
Oh my gosh. Love your face. So proud of you. Good job. Love it. Guys are all doing fantastic things, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Now, remember what I talked about with SPY earlier, okay, is that 776.50 is coming up. That's another major area of resistance, okay? 776.50. Do you hear the sound of my voice? Remember, we drew that out earlier. We had it all charted out, okay? Your variance is there right now, so be careful. 776.22. Yeah, you're 30 cents away right now from that other high previous area. Okay. Now we got a nice run up, but those of you that are still in there, this is where I like to, you could take a little bit right here. So what I would do is, this is how I would handle this. If this drops below 776, I take some. Stays above 776, let it ride. Do you hear the sound of my voice?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Coco, by the
I
way,
didn't see it.
congratulations. Are you off for 5 days?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you.
Thank you.
By the way, I'll be gone on vacation to this weekend on another cruise for a week.
Of course you are.
nice.
American Dream Trading.
It's right before my birthday, so yes.
Very nice. Very,
Yep.
very nice.
Mine's on Sunday.
Oh,
I
that's
turned
awesome.
23 again.
Yay.
Oh,
Yay,
so
yay,
young.
yay.
Happy birthday.
So-
Thank you.
Was
So
that
awesome.
Coco turning 23? Hey, I may get some drinks this weekend. What up, coach?
What up? Woot, woot.
For the benefit
Very
of
nice.
ADT, everybody stays the same age.
That's right. What happens at ADT stays at ADT. You know what I'm saying? Everybody be cool. 776.50. Isn't this where I said exactly we're going to be looking for resistance?
Yep. I'm still in it.
Isn't that crazy that that's the only spot that it pulled back on this entire green run up? Those of you that are watching me for free right now, there's a reason they call me the Stocks Whisperer. I've been doing this forever. I call this out live all day, every day. You will see and hear things you have never seen or heard before out of this community. I can promise you. I can never guarantee or promise results, but I can guarantee and promise the wins, the successes, and the craziness that comes out of this group is like nothing that has ever been seen before. It's amazing. Apple, you guys are up on a double top looking for 305 to clear.
By the way, Tesla, Chef Kiss, beautiful to the upside.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Soxel up 2.6% right now. Soxel's up on a double top. Does everybody see it up at this double top area right now on Soxel? Yes? Okay, great. That's why you got a little bit of a pullback right there. Now, SPY, remember, as long as you stay above that 776, 776, you're okay. If you see it pull back below that, that's where I take some. Other than that, breathe. I use my own account.
ADT Coach Trading Journal app at $39.99 every 30 days, $40.
Thank you, Megan. Appreciate you. Megan,
She's so rude. She interrupted.
She keeps it real, though. She's letting me know when dollar bills are coming in. She can interrupt me anytime she wants. We're talking about the cash. Appreciate you. Nice.
Make it rain, Megan. Make it
Yes, make it rain. Look at this. Look at SPY. Did I or did I not tell you at 776.50? Huh?
I'm hoping for the 9, Coach. I'm hoping for the 9.
Isn't that amazing, though? Isn't that just like, come on, that thing ran green. Look at all the green it ran. And I told you 776.50 out of all of that, right? I know. I don't get paid enough. I get it. I understand. All rates. Megan increased rates on everything. 10x. Do it now. Do it. Do it now. Did anybody listen to the sound of my voice? Or are you guys just doing your own thing over there?
We're listening.
Appreciate you.
Nailed it, Coach.
Thank you. Isn't that funny? There will be two types of people today. There will be those of you that did whatever the hell you wanted. There will be those of you that listened to the sound of my voice today. Which one are you? Which one?
Listener.
Thank you. What stock is this we're watching right now? SPY, ES, and NQ. So it just depends if you want to trade stocks, options, or futures with us. We're always keeping an eye on everything else. Soxel, what do you know? Didn't I say Soxel was up on a double top? Come on. Oh, come on. I don't get paid enough. I do not get paid enough.
Coach, I made 500 on that SPY pullback.
Thank you. Did
I
you
let her go at 21.
Good job. Good job. You took it from 776.50 down to the 21, partner?
Yes, sir.
Good job. How did that feel?
Felt pretty good.
And now look at exactly what it's doing, John. Bouncing off that 21 that we talk about all the time as being the backbone, correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
So you did exactly what you were supposed to.
Ways.
So you did exactly what you were supposed to when you were supposed to, didn't you, John?
Yes, sir.
Boot camp for the win. Love your face.
Exactly to the 176.50 too. The fullback.
I know it's
I
crazy.
may have missed it. I was on the phone.
No worries. You only missed $1 million move. No big deal. Damn it.
My cardio isn't
Come on.
It'll happen again.
That's right. And technically, if you look at it, it pulled back off of 776.50, came all the way back down to where I had that other level marked, which was 775.50. You guys remember me saying that, right?
It
Still
has
in.
potential to try for new all-time high.
Oh, yeah. It's ripping now.
Still in 30 ticks off the 21 on ES.
Oh, my gosh. Did you hammer it down there when it just pulled back to the 21 right there, Chris?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Yes, sir.
Chris, I love your face, man. Isn't that part of the training? Don't we always look for that? Now, Chris, weren't we talking about that yesterday?
Yes, sir. Boot camp rocks.
Yep, you did a great job. I'm very proud of you. You applied it, you executed, you followed through the plan, you didn't second guess yourself, you hammered it, and I'm sure you're feeling pretty good right now.
Yes, sir.
Nice work.
33 ticks.
Oh my gosh. How many contracts? Is that ES, MES? What are we on?
1 ES.
Oh boy. How's that looking? Hold on, let me figure it out. 1 ES, you're $250?
475 right
Oh my,
now.
what the hell, man? I was way off. Holy crap, beautiful job. $500. That's crazy.
1 MES off the 200.
That's 776.80 should be the ceiling. It's
Nice.
right at it.
Michael says $3,500, 3 trades, done and done. Double top pullback, 200 bounce, 21 bounce. I don't know why we've created more millionaires and made hundreds of millions of dollars for our trading community. I don't know how that was
Spy's all-time
possible.
high.
I don't know how that was possible. Results not guaranteed, legal. Haven't checked all the brokerage statements, all the things. These are just the stuff that the people have told me that they've made. Have to say that every time, by the way.
I mean, you should start making guarantees, Coach. Be
I
like, you know
can't.
what? If you've been here 6 years and you're not making $1, then the guarantee's off.
Then
but after
quit.
6 years, we guarantee it.
Then quit. Oh, that's great. No guarantees. I could never do that. I don't ever want to steer anybody astray like my competitors have done and have been sued for millions of dollars. It's all public record, by the way.
Wow,
I'm out.
Really?
42
Yeah.
ticks.
Oh, yeah. 42
Somebody
ticks.
slips up and says the wrong thing.
Good job. Chris, was that you?
Yes, sir. Up
Right.
638 on 1 ES.
Oh, my gosh. You know what's crazy? Everybody in the room, you guys realize boot camp costs $2,500. How much did you make today, Chris, in the last less than 20 minutes?
600, and it would be a lot more, but off the 200 I got out at the 9.
Mm-hmm.
So banked a little bit, but missed that whole run.
How much today total?
638 so far.
$638. Boot camp is $2,500. That gets you 12 weeks, 3 months, 90 days, hour and a half per week with me. Proofs in the pudding, results not guaranteed, legal, all the things.
Plus, that's 5 props.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
No, that's over 5 props. I'm running 5 props.
Nice job. Coco, how are you doing on your day off here at American Dream Trading? She doesn't know. She's got a cigarette in one hand, a wine bottle in the other. Am I right? She's like, doing real good.
Yeah, I can totally see Coco with a cigarette in one
Oh,
hand.
100%, dude. 100 with the
man.
bubbly in the other hand.
Oh man, she just gives off that vibe at 9 o'clock in the morning,
100%.
you know?
Yes. Hell yeah.
Hey, champagne wishes and caviar dreams.
That's right.
Hey,
That's
by
right.
10 o'clock, she's unable to get to the microphone at this time. Please leave a beep
Yeah, please. The do not disturb signs up on the door. She's taking a midday nap. She'll be back out 3 or 4 o'clock, ready to go again.
Dude, yeah, round 72.
Yup, take a little nappy nap. Shit.
That's
Hey, Coach,
hilarious.
you got a question in the chat? Do you want to wait till 10?
Unless it's an emergency. Is it an emergency, gang? Because I'll help you now
Nope.
if it is.
Nope.
Okay, no worries. Thank you for letting me know. I didn't even see it. Having too much fun. I can't even see it. My eyes are glazed over from all of you making so much money. Thank you, everybody, by the way, for being here. I appreciate all the new follows. You guys are awesome. Do I have any new members in here, by the way? I know we've been getting a lot of new members because of our latest viral video. Is there any new members in the room with me today? Open up your mics and just say hello if there is. I'd love to know who's new in here. We've had a bunch of new people sign up lately. Unless you're shy. If you're mic shy, I understand. That's okay. But we've had a lot of new people. I just wanted to say thank you for being here. Yeah, you're brand new. 1 week? Yeah, you're brand new. Glad to have you here, though. Andrea, appreciate you. Nice, nice. That's awesome. Hopefully everybody applied and listened to exactly what I said this morning. 1 week. D, good to have you here. Appreciate you. Marine says went from 1,700 to 2,500 in 21 minutes. Just wish there was a place that taught how to do that. Brett, I'm newish. Yep, I see you, Brett. Brett, weren't you in my boot camp yesterday? Good to have you in here, partner.
Wrong, Brett.
Yep. Weren't you in my boot camp, or is that Brett C?
Yeah, Brett C.
Yeah, okay, got you. Thank you. Glad to have you here. Nice, nice. All my futures members, I'm glad to have you here as well. I've been trading futures live in front of all of your faces for over 2 years. Back when I started the futures program that we did not have. Thank you. Appreciate everybody being here. Wow, a lot of new viewers over here. I'm really loving that. We're getting a lot of growth. Do me a favor, everybody, today, if you would, please, so we can continue on this path. Go tell somebody. I don't care if it's 1, 2, 3 people. Just go tell somebody about us today. Go post about it on your LinkedIn, Facebook, all the things, X, right? Whatever you're on, just post about us, something positive. You could simply state, I can't believe that I saw the coach today call out every exact level live in our trading session. Done. I do it every day. You guys know I do it every day. And there you go. That's all you got to do. Doesn't have to be complicated. Doesn't have to be rocket science. Click send. Appreciate you.
Talking about the group, he's trying to finish to edit the podcast, but he's in vacation, so he's trying his best to do it by Friday.
Oh, the podcast.
So sorry
okay.
for the delay.
No, that's okay. Thank you.
Renewal. Premium Discord at $125 / every 30 days, $125.
Pillars, you opened up a help desk ticket. Let me see, but we don't know what the question is. What's your question? Let us know. Ticket 7137, moderators. We see you, Miami. Just let us know whatever you need. Okay, we'll take care of you. Done for the day
Matt
and
says
logged out.
Palantir popping high.
Palantirs.
Oh, it is.
Oh, good.
It bounced off that 175. I called out, rejected, came back down to VWAP, and then blasted through. Nice trade. I got one runner.
Let's take a peek here. Palantir, just so everybody knows, let me put it up on the big board. If you do exactly what you are trained to do, you should be rich today off of Palantir. Look At the open, you had a double top, triple top, quad top. See it? Great. Previous day high was 175. Previous day was 175. It hit 178, crash. Then it hit 175.60, crashed. Now it just hit 176, crash. Does everybody see it? Right there. Bye-bye. Okay, great. It reminds me of a little song that I like to sing to all of you. Nobody does it better. So nice. Appreciate you. Thank you so much.
So you're saying, Coach, that your training applies to not just one, but many stocks that have double tops and double bottoms?
Absolutely.
Oh my God.
Absolutely. VWAP over there in my boot camp just says, told my work colleague about ADT today and sent the free YouTube link. Thank you so much for that, man. I appreciate you.
SPY's all-time high, Coach.
Thank
Again.
you. All right. Thank you.
I thought you was gonna sing Taste the Biscuit.
Taste the biscuit.
That's what I thought he was going to start singing.
Listen, man, I get in trouble every single time I play any of those beautiful songs for you guys. Every single time. And then when I look at my email, it's like emotional damage. I get it every time. That's how I feel. Every day. That's how I feel every day.
That's because they don't listen to the verse where it gets about the honey and the thighs.
Oh, I know it, right? Rubbing that sweet honey barbecue sauce, spam biscuit trickling down my neck. I just adding lyrics just to make it a little bit better. 2 minutes to the bell. F2's done for the day. Looks like you made about 61,000 this morning. Nice job. SPY continuing to rip to the upside. SPY is at all-time high now, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's what I was going to ask. If this all-time highs, we're playing the 50-cent mark.
I've been calling it like 3 times on new all-time high, new all-time high.
Yes, you now need to work on that every 50 cents and dollar mark, right? Since we don't have anything to go on. And of course, trust the training on the, excuse me, on your 9 and your 21 in your previous, because the only thing we had left is 776.50. And if you look, that has started to create its own support right here, right in this area around the 777 mark. So now it's every 50 cents to $1. By the way, everybody was talking about how the market was going to collapse, right? And everybody's like, I hate trading at all-time highs and all this crap, and taking nibbles and all this bullshit. Didn't I tell you to stop worrying about all that stuff? The long term, you already know how to hedge and handle the training. The short term, we don't give a shit what it does during the day. Am I right?
Yeah.
Good job, boss. Sweet.
Coach, I have a question.
Yep. Go ahead.
So SPY's all-time high, but ES is pretty much at a double top within a few ticks. Do you treat that as a double top, or do you look at SPY as all-time high?
Let me take a look. You said
Thanks,
ES
Michael.
is at a double top? How? Is that right? Oh,
Back further.
oh, I see. Okay, hold on. Let me go back. Hold.
days.
Yep, I got you.
78, 20, 50, Coach.
Yep. No, I treat that as a double top. I respect that level and I trade it. Got it?
So thank you.
Yep, absolutely. If it's on that chart, you trade it. Yep. But where are we at? 78.20. I mean, it looks like it already hit that and pulled back. It already hit that and pulled back.
Yeah, it might be too late.
Yeah. Yeah, because it hit 78, 78.21 and pulled back to 78.19. That was the pullback. Do you see it? But yes, you were right in looking at it. 100% I'd have been staring at that. Yep. Good call. But it already made the move. So by the time we caught it, it was already game over, right? So don't chase it if you missed it, right?
Taste the biscuit.
Taste the biscuit.
Don't chase the biscuit.
Yeah, don't chase the
chase the
biscuit. That buttermilk honey biscuit.
PLCR new high, coach.
Yes.
One runner.
Coach,
Yes. Yes.
I just gotta let you know, I hit that VWAP bounce right there at 946. I'm still in it, coach.
Oh my gosh.
Just like you said.
Oh my gosh. Miles.
Just like you said, coach.
Oh my
You
gosh.
said it was gonna. We don't know what's gonna happen next.
Yep. How many did you get in there with it, Miles? Minimum 3?
I got 3, coach. Just like you said, coach.
Yes. Yes.
Isn't that what you told me to do,
It
coach? To
is.
run through a wall. We can run through a wall, coach. Let's do it.
Yes. Absolutely. No head fake today. Am I right, partner?
We locked in.
Yes, I like it. How many are you still
locked
holding,
in.
Miles?
I still got all 3.
Oh my gosh.
I still got all 3.
Oh
I don't see
my.
enough of a pullback for me to start shedding yet. So
Wow. What are you, some kind of genius?
no, there's some guy in the States I listen to. He sings this crazy song. There's like 200, like 300 people that listen to him as well.
Wow.
I like him. I like him, so I
Wow.
trust him and I run with him. I can't lie.
I like that guy. He's all right. He's all right in
He's
my
pretty
book.
cool.
Good job, Miles. I'm so proud of you, man. How does that feel? Is that a good trade for you? You liking that?
I'm feeling lighter today, coach. Can't lie.
Yes.
Feeling a little bit lighter.
Yes.
You know, just
Yes.
feels good.
Yes.
It just feels like I needed to make that small adjustment.
Yes.
And having that time with you yesterday,
Yes.
and now I can automatically apply it.
Yes.
It's automatic. I can't explain it. It's just, yeah.
It's
It's
beautiful.
what I've been waiting for a long time. I needed that. So I appreciate you.
Yeah, absolutely. Boot camp for the win. Am I right, Miles?
Telling you, if there's a boot camp 3, telling you people, if you haven't done it, get on it. Start saving your pennies, do what you got to do, make some trades, make some money, get in it. I'm telling you.
Appreciate you. Thank you very much. Check is in the mail, actor number 1346-B.
As long as it clears in Canadian funds, we'll
Yeah.
be okay.
Oh, absolutely. Shoot, that means I paid less. I'm gonna send you 500 Canadian dollars. Could do it in pesos. What's the yen? Be like, I'm gonna send you 67 billion yen. It's like 36 cents. Right? Like, come on. Oh, you guys are brutal. That's awesome. We worked with the whole group yesterday, and the funny thing is, the very first thing we talked about is building confidence. What I do in that room, my main priority, because it's always about the psychology of trading and getting you guys exactly where you need to be. Each person in the room on an individual basis, not a group project. Each person I handle on a one-on-one basis every week. It's about getting you where you need to go right now. That's what I do every week. Am I right, boot camp campers? Isn't that what we do every single week?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Absolute facts.
Appreciate you. One of the biggest things that'll come out of there is confidence building. And believe it or not, that is the biggest thing, because if you trust the training, execute the plan, and you're confident about it, you don't do all this weird willy-nilly bullshit, getting in the way of yourself stuff. That's it. I'm telling
And
you.
I'd like to
gang.
thank Miles for his questions yesterday because I wasn't able to talk. Thank you,
Yes.
Miles.
Absolutely.
Is that Chris? Yeah, man, I
It
got
is,
you,
sir.
buddy. I saw that message, man. I appreciate you, man.
That's
I
so cool.
appreciate it.
So cool, right? Yesterday, our boot camp was 2 hours long. 2 hours long. Just so everybody knows, I worked with every single person every week, individually, one-on-one, in the room, even in our group setting, with curriculum, with homework, with full accountability in that room. It is a full-blown team of 53 people in that room executing one plan. And the proof is in the pudding. So, hello. Appreciate you. Marv, nice job. Says, thank you, coach. Thank you, David. 2% total account. Good job.
Hey, coach.
Yes, talk to me.
SPY and Tesla
Yes.
trailing stops and 576. I made $576 this morning off of 2 trailing stops with
Oh.
SPY and Tesla.
Nice job. Good job. Now, did you do what we talked about, using what, like an average true range for the trailing stop, so you knew exactly how?
Yes, that ATR about a candle and a half.
Yes. Yes. Sun's out, guns out. You know what I'm saying, Jerry?
You damn right.
Yes. Appreciate you. Thank you. Oh, did somebody just threw a tip and Megan didn't say it. I think she's broke. Whoever that was, thank you. I appreciate you. I'll look at it in a little bit. Appreciate you. A lot of times she says it. I don't know why she's not lately. I must have upgraded and did something and broke it. Oh, good. Eric says, I got the onboarding done and Weeble and you're fishing today. Nice.
Coach, so Gus C, I don't know if he's still here. He had a question in the chat about.
Yeah, let's do it. Guess C, are you here? Let's talk.
Gus?
Gus?
His question was, do you use market
Oh,
orders or limit orders?
That depends. If the market is moving fast, I use market just so I don't miss something. If I'm looking for a particular area where I'd like to buy, right? Typically, I'll do like a buy stop, so I can tell it exactly where I want. That's really about the only time I'm using limit orders. Otherwise, I'm typically using the market order. But caveat to that is I'm using the Turbo Trader for options, and I've got a 15 to 25 cents slippage set up in there. So I'm doing market, but it'll get closest to what the actual price is up to whatever my slippage is. So if the stock is $1 and I click buy, I allow the system that 15 to 25 cents, depending on what I'm trading, to go up to that, to pay a little bit more to make sure that I get into it. Does that make sense?
Does to me. Hopefully makes sense to Gus.
Yep.
And I
If
think you're
not,
absolutely right.
If not, we've got full training videos on it. You can go see the training videos. Yep, where we show you exactly how to set up that slippage.
It's a great point. Depends what you're trading. Stocks,
Correct.
options,
Yes.
bid-ask spread. Big
Yep.
difference for that.
Yep, absolutely. Or if you're just looking for like an exact spot, sometimes I'm like, hey, I'd like to see, it come down to this spot and pick me up, right? So if I'm doing like penny stocks, I will look for areas, right? We used to joke around with Jimmy talking about in the weeds. What I'm looking for is pulling down into a support level and where I can buy it up, right? So I will sit down there and wait on where I'm seeing where my buyers should typically be, which is going to be a good level of support. And then I'll place an order there to scoop them up. So I don't want to buy them higher necessarily. It just depends on my strategy, what I'm doing, what I'm trading, and how I want that to work. Does that make sense? Where are the training videos? The training videos are over in our Discord. Just go to American Dream Trading. That's our website. You can join the Discord for free. You can go over to my education and training area. I have hundreds of hours of free information. Stocks, candlesticks, patterns, how-to videos, flashcards, games, terminology, like everything about stocks, options, and futures you could ever imagine to get you started. And of course, I have over 3,000 videos on my YouTube channel. 3,000 videos. And the funny thing is I've taken down almost 2,000 videos. We'd have been over 5,000 videos over there right now. Name of the Discord, just go to American Dream Trading. That's all you got to do. Go to the website. It's listed everywhere on all the things. Go to the website. It'll get you into the Discord. It says join the community for free. Bing. Okay. Look at the L2 at 778.25. Oh, they must have got bought out, or they bought them. There was 10,000 in there. Yep, good job looking at them. Yeah, it disappeared because they were probably bought. That's why it's moving up.
Hey, coach, we have a runner FGI, which is a hot stock pick.
Oh, good,
Second
good.
hole. It will resume at 10:12:39.
Nice hot stock pick. FGI has halted. Good call on that, Michael. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Another proof is in the pudding. Boot camp camper. Sweet Lou, can I take a screenshot of that and just post it into the Zoom? I see you've hidden the amounts. Is that cool if I grab that?
Yep.
All right, awesome. Thank you, my friend. I'm going to post that into Zoom just so everybody can see what my boot campers are doing. There you go. There is a 100% win rate out of 7 trades for Sweet Lou out of our boot camp.
And his name is John C.
There you go. If that don't get you hyped up, I don't know what does. Good job. Nice work. Sweet Lou says, I entered on the 200, held to the gold line. Coach called out in the pre-market. Trust the training. Was that a confident trade? Did you feel good about it, Lou?
100%.
I love that. I love that, man.
So, Coach, you always like questions as we get to this part of the hour,
No, I
right?
don't. No, I don't.
Oh, come on. You love questions.
Fire in the hole. Foom.
All right, here it is. So let's just say that you haven't been trading this morning and you're just getting in to look at the market.
Uh-huh.
And you're looking and analyzing ES or SPY because that's what's up on your screen.
Sure. Yep.
So let's take that and analyze that.
Sure.
How do you analyze where you're at today, right now, right this second,
Uh-huh.
to make a determination on what you do?
So if I'm a scalper, which could be the only thing you have left because you've already missed the 2-minute EWO, I'm looking for a pullback into major key areas. Number one, this is a major area. It showed us at 778. Or I can go in small position size off the 9 on the 1 minute because it has been respecting the 1 minute the whole morning. So every time I pull back to this 9, I could put a stop just below it or a stop just below the 21, and then I can make that entry, and then I could start to add as it goes up. Otherwise, what I'm looking for is a pullback. I can either wait for a pullback to the 21 or a pullback to a critical level, and in this case, it'd be the 778. That's exactly what I do if I was looking at it this moment.
Great analysis. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Don't put me on the spot because I might not be able to answer a question that I've been doing every single
Dude,
day for 4 years straight.
Just trying to change up the narrative.
I hear you.
Give you some ammunition.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know.
I appreciate you. It's going to be good for the videos.
Right, exactly.
And sign up for boot camp.
Yep, and get the boot camp. Appreciate you. You guys are awesome.
Dude, we try. I mean, yeah, that's the whole thing. We
Thank
try.
you. You always have good questions too, by the way.
Well, thank you. I
Yeah,
appreciate
yeah.
it.
Not like Richard. He has some dumb shit.
Yeah, I have no idea what he does every day.
I
but-
don't either. I have no idea. But I do know what he likes. He likes
He
this.
likes.
He like
Taste the biscuit. Taste the goodness of the biscuit. Taste the honey sauce. Taste the goodness of the biscuit with the honey sauce.
That's it. That's
On
all I
my
can
Taco
do.
Bell.
Yes. Yes, thank you. That's all I can play. That's all I can play for now. So appreciate you. I think we're gonna make it a new rule every time we get we'll say $10 or more in tip donation, we will have a taste of the biscuit. You guys like the way I'm always trying to work the system. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Hey, Coach, I wonder why the Apple chat's so quiet.
Probably making ass loads of money.
We're making a few.
Oh gosh. Wow.
We're following the rules and we're holding runners.
Yes, good job. David over there leading the charge on the 200 or on the 200 on the 2-minute EWO for Apple, looking good. That 305.90. Oh, I see. That was previous day high. So of course you guys are up on a double top now, right?
Yep. And we told them we need to stay above 305.50 to show a little bit more strength, and now we're breaking below it.
Yep, I see it. So now remember, you just asked me, right? We're looking for some kind of pullback on SPY, right? So I don't want to necessarily be grabbing it when it's up on the top of the stairs. I want to wait for it to pull back a little bit. And this is starting to come back to this pullback. So right now, if I was in SPY and if I just walked in the room and I said, what should I do? What I'm looking for right now is I'm actually right here. This 778, that's my buy right here on this 21 and the 778. So right here, not financial tax or investment advice. This is where I'm scooping it up right now.
In Australia.
1,000 years later.
Okay.
Took ES off to 21 again for another 125.
There you go. There you go. There it is. Just waiting for the.
Coach?
Yes, talk to me. Oh, Coco's in the house. Questions are going to be firing it up. Here we go. Fire in the
No.
hole.
I already did all that.
Okay, good
So,
job.
3,600 between my accounts.
There you go. Boom. Day one of
Thank
your
you.
Nice.
vacation. Yep. Day one. Get the bubbly out. Nice. Get that pack of Pall Mall non-filters
Oh.
to go with it.
Is that Coco? Is she awake from her slumber?
She is. She took a little nappy nap. She's on round 47.
She's
Very
up
nice.
47. Oh
Yep.
my goodness.
Yep.
My goodness.
Now, team, did I or did I not, during answering that question, say what I would exactly be looking for my long setup? Yes or no?
Yes, you did.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
I
yeah.
added in.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Pull
you,
back up
Coach.
21.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Derek.
Genius.
Maven, do you see what I'm talking about?
I do. Yeah. I mean, I just want everybody else to see it.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
obviously you were just blabbling,
Yes.
babbling along.
Yeah, yeah.
You
Just
needed somebody to come
Mhm,
in, have some
mhm.
conversation
yeah,
with.
talk
I mean,
about it a little bit.
Right.
Yeah, making dreams a reality over here. I hear you.
Dude, that's what I do every day.
Yeah, that's what I do. That's my thing. That's my lifelong obsession. Making dreams a reality, baby.
This is why we get along so well, Coach.
It really is. 100%.
Maven is saying that, everybody's making so much money. It's time to buy a house. Go get that mortgage from him.
Yeah,
See?
absolutely.
There you go.
Absolutely. I should have called you to sell my other house, right?
Absolutely.
Taste the biscuit. That's awesome. Did
Coach,
anybody, by the way, do exactly what I said while being asked that question and telling you exactly what I would do, when I would do it, why I would do it, and how I would do it? Did anybody make any money off that or not?
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Coach.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Yep, good job.
Sir, added in from my 2 runners I had left. Perfect.
Question on ES. Would you say that it is getting exhausted by the steps getting smaller, I would say?
Yeah, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's not going to continue to run. What I'm really looking for now, and that's a great question, the closer SPY gets to 1% or 1.5%, which is
New
typically
sale.
There-
Coaches tip /
Oh, it
donation,
is working there.
$10.
Thank you. But typically, what I'm looking for now, partner, is closer we get to that 1% or the 1.5%. That's when the market really starts to freak out, right? Like it doesn't like going beyond that because it's such a large move. So the closer I get to 1%, I'll start to look for a pullback. Doesn't mean it's going to be, like drop to new low a day, but I'll start to look for it to get a little bit heavier, a little less buyers. And then if we can break through 1, then for sure I'm looking for 1.5%. And you guys have seen me do that for years. By the way, thank you, Dean. Dean just sent over a $10 donation, so you're going to get a little taste of the biscuit.
Don't get that honey sauce on me. I don't like the way it tastes with my chicken wings.
Wow.
Taste the biscuit. Taste the goodness of the biscuit.
Thank you, Dean. Appreciate you. You got a little taste of the biscuit right there for hooking me up. Thank you. So nice, so kind, so generous. Look at SPY now. That turned into an absolute monster, didn't it, Maven?
Well, I mean, it matched up exactly what we were talking about.
Right.
Looking for the bounce off the 200,
Yep.
push back up, had good volume.
Yep.
Had a little bit of consolidation,
Mhm.
bounced up off the 9, and I was looking for continuation to the upside.
There you go. Did everybody see that? We were looking.
21
Yep, we were looking for that
21
next.
is like the springboard.
That's correct, right? And remember what I said? I'd like to see this pull back to the 21, or in this case, I told you 778, because that is where it showed me support was. And I said, this is where I would hammer that beast. Yes? In real time,
Yep.
before it got there. And you know what? When you guys go back and watch the replay, oh my gosh, was I to the penny? Almost. I was almost to the penny at 778. If you guys go back and watch the replay, by the way, this was still up. This was not showing any sign at all of a pullback, was it? While we were having that discussion, it showed none of that, did it?
No.
Go watch the replay. Do this in real time. Appreciate
Yeah,
you.
in it.
Thank you. Miles, are you still in this, partner?
I shed 2. I look at on the 2-minute there, coach.
Got you.
And I shed 2 about 5 minutes ago when it broke the 9, and so I still got that
Renewal.
one runner.
ADT Small Account Bootcamp Part 2 at $850/month, $850.
Hey, Coach, here's one for you.
Tell me.
I'm in still from 78.07 on ES.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. How does that feel, partner?
Feels good. I love those days.
Such a good time.
Kind of like tasting the biscuit every second.
It really is. It really is. It's just glorious. Miles, good job. Now remember, we talked about that, Miles. That's the beauty of having 3 is you got to shed 2, guaranteed locked in 66%, and now you have no fear the rest of the day.
I really don't. Can I put in a request, please?
100%.
Can you play Biscuit, please? Am I caller number 9?
No, Miles.
Taste the butter spread. Taste the goodness of the biscuit with the butter spread. To get your butter spread all on me. I don't like the way it mixes with my mac and cheese.
Okay, I got you.
Wait a minute, Coach. I don't think she's talking about biscuits. Wait.
Don't read into it too
Oh,
much.
gosh.
You nasty, you little rat nasty. Take it
Here we
easy.
go.
Yeah,
The
take it
butter?
easy.
What's the butter? Oh, God.
boy, here we go. Oh,
Definitely
boy.
some hidden meaning there.
Yeah, it could be down and
She
dirty.
did say KFC, then I'd be like scared to death.
Yeah, rubbing that KFC oil on me. Mm-hmm. Take it easy, people. Don't get it all twisted, you little rat nasties.
I mean, really, this is a
Coco.
family show. Come on.
Yes, it is.
Coco, stay around 6 minutes and I'll make up for that in
Oh
6
boy.
minutes.
Oh, okay.
Don't
Oh,
leave.
boy. Don't
I'm
get
not gonna
us
leave.
don't get us
Good.
canceled, Richard.
I'm not gonna get you're the biscuit. I'm gonna
Oh
get us
my
canceled.
gosh. Oh boy. Appreciate you.
Where are all my
Wen-
gardens?
Wendy, you know how you can fix that? I see you said I went to buy a call since it was heading up and you ended up buying a put. I've done that before. Here's what I would do. All of you that are in the room, let me show you with the options. Let me get rid of this.
Get out immediately.
Yeah, oh yeah. Whenever you make a
Break the
mistake,
law.
yeah. But this is what I want you to do. If you only plan on just like going long today, like let's say you're just waiting for pullbacks go long, and you're not going to be bouncing back and
Renewal.
forth. Hold on.
ADT Coach Trading Journal app at $39.99 / every 30 days, $40.
Okay,
I know
thank
your
you.
wife wouldn't be okay with that, sir.
Right. Okay, listen. Yeah, right. Okay, now check this out. So instead of on here having both, just change it to whatever one you're going to be doing. So if you're just going to be longing today, have calls. If you're just going to be shorting today, have puts. That way you can't make that mistake. Otherwise, always remember if you have both, it's typically calls on the left and puts on the right. Okay. But again, if you find that you're running into an issue with that, that's how you fix it. Okay. All right, great. By the way, tomorrow is AI class. I'm looking forward to that. I hope you all are. Tomorrow's going to be amazing. We have so many cool things set up for tomorrow in our AI class. I hope you guys are ready for that. If you guys haven't joined that yet, by the way, just go to our American Dream AI website and you can do the same thing and log in. Otherwise, I'm going to send you guys all an invite right now. The invite expires in 30 days, but you guys will all be able to get over there right now. Go do the things, click the buttons, and get into our AI classes right now. Tomorrow, I'm going to train you guys on some automation bots that are going to make your lives easier right out of the gate. First thing. Immediately. I'm just going to change your lives immediately. I've done it every week we've walked in the room. So be ready for it. If you are a business owner and you're not in My American Dream AI, just shut your doors. You're done. Shut your doors. You will be bankrupt soon. Shut your doors. It's funny. I'm seeing the greatest trend out there right now. HVAC, plumbing, roofing, construction, all of the service industries, if you're not using AI, go ahead and shut your doors now. Close them. You're done. Close them now. Because all of your competitors that are going to use me at American Dream AI, or you're going to be a part of our group and build it on your own, they are going to blow your doors off. You heard it here first. That's it. Shut your doors. You're done. You're cooked. Bye-bye. Oh, if you're a mortgage person, Maven, and you are not using AI, you're done. You're cooked. Throw it away. Goodbye forever. You are toast. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
I don't disagree.
Yep. Bye-bye. You're going to be missing calls, missing appointments, not getting things scheduled the correct way, not getting immediate responses. So all of your 3 or 6% or 5%, if you're doing it on your own, all that money is gone because you are not able to keep up without AI. Okay. Great.
I agree.
Yep.
I'm in your
100%.
course.
Yep.
I'm in your course.
I know. I appreciate you. I was just using you as my example.
Well, I know, but I mean,
Appreciate
don't tell
you.
everybody else out there. I mean, come on. I need some competitive advantage here, Coach. Come on.
Yeah, I hear you. Troy, I'm over here trying to recruit him as a moderator. He's so busy with new business now since using all of our AI stuff that he can't even, he's just like, he is so swamped with new business. Sam's the same way. Sam over here was trying to clear some space and now he's so busy. I love that. What a terrible thing. I hate it when you have
Terrible
to
thing.
3 or 5x your company overnight. It's such a terrible thing. Results not guaranteed, legal, all the stuff. Apple bounced off a VWAP perfectly to a double top. This is what I was saying, right? Look at Apple. If you guys were in a 2-minute EWO, we just talked about this. And all of you tried to get out. You are at, right now, it just hit new high a day, right? Follow the training, take yourself and throw your shit in the trash. You are in the trash. Get your little hand out. Click the button, put the stop, and then get back in the trash can. Thank you. Appreciate you. Oh, Futures, how
Okay,
we
Coach,
doing?
if you don't mind,
Yes.
I'd like to take the screen for just, well, I'm not going to take the screen, but I'm going to take the
Oh,
mic for a moment
boy.
for Coco.
Oh boy, hot mic
And-
time. Oh no. Attorneys, I got a 5-second redo on the live button now. So if he said something,
Yeah. Here we go. Coco,
oh boy.
this is
Yes,
for
sir.
you. Are you ready? Everybody else, please be quiet till I'm done.
Oh boy.
Ya Mohan Leva, Ya Mohan Leva, Ya Mohan Leva ute Andradeo, Ya Viska hon leva, Ya Viska hon leva, Ya Viska hon leva ute Andradeo. At FIFA for Coco. Hurrah, 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 hurrah. That is happy birthday in Swedish for you. Happy
Oh, I
birthday.
love
That's
that.
awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, that's awesome.
I really love that.
That was good. That was really good. We do it a different way over here in Ghetto Land.
Tony had them.
Okay.
Man, that's from that Flint
Love
era
it.
right there.
All right. Happy birthday to you. Basically the same thing. Okay. All right. It's basically the same thing, Richard. Okay. A little ghetto flair. You know what I'm saying?
Song
No-
got me pumped.
Does
That's not
does
that
that show some Detroit, Motown influence
yes.
there?
Yes, absolutely. Yep.
Flint though, don't discredit Coach by saying Detroit. You got to give him this Flint now.
I agree. I agree. Detroit's where the little Cub Scouts, Boy Scouts go, right? Detroit.
man, you gotta be
Detroit's
real
where
hard to
you
be out in
go. Yeah,
Flint.
Detroit's where you go if you want nice neighborhoods.
Right.
I was
You
just
want
saying,
easy
isn't
living.
Detroit where Motown is, though?
You
Isn't that
want
where they-
easy
That's where the
living.
rock
You hit
is.
the D town. That's how we roll. Okay.
I love that.
Okay. That's a little happy birthday from me to you. Very nice. Appreciate you. That's nice. Yeah, SPY is up almost to 1%. We're almost at the first ceiling level, right? We're getting real close up here. Starting to get some consolidation too off this really close to 1%, isn't it? Yerp.
Yes, Coach.
Yerp. Now, if you look at this, support is 779. Okay. That's support. You see how it's consolidating off of this support level? So you now want this to stay above that 779. Can you see it? Okay, good. Good job. Nice. Easy Jack. I love that hand. I dug myself out of the trash can and I scalped SPY for 15%. Total account. Definitely could have doubled it, but scalped at work and couldn't babysit the trade. Did I get out of my own way? Yes. Did I listen to coach? Yes. Did I buy support at 21 and the VWAP retest bounce? Yes. Oh. Good job. Good job. Appreciate you. It's 10:36. It's about time to wrap this puppy up. Okay, I don't know why that ticket was closed. I guess I don't have to look at that. Done for the day. Nice job, Broken. 10.39% total account for the day. Absolutely glorious. Nice job. Coco up 3,686.80 today. Not a
No.
bad day to what?
It's
Woo!
a little more than that.
Very nice. Very nice. I like it. Marine says I might go back to bed at 7:36 a.m. I'm up 1,000 plus on total account. Good job. Nice work. Mike says, what's the box for? Mike, that's the consolidation zone that I'm watching right now. Okay, that's about our 1% peak level that I talk about all the time. Typically, when SPY gets to around 1%, it'll start to freak out, right? We'll start to see a little bit of shakiness. And then for sure, when I get to 1.5%, I'm definitely looking at some kind of reversal. So if it's down 1.5%, I'm looking for it to bounce. If it's up 1.5%, I'm looking for it to pull back. This is just typically the way that it goes. Not always, results not guaranteed. But what do I know? I've only been doing this for 34 years.
Heads up, Chad. One monitored job just went red.
Uh-oh.
Ask me for system health.
Heads up.
Order filled.
What is it? Oh, I see it. A fake lead came in. That is awesome. My system is not playing any games. By the way, I show you how to do all that in our AI class. Woo! Beautiful. Look at SPY. What did I say when it gets closer to 1%, ladies and gentlemen? Yes or no? We were at 8.89 or something, right? I know. It's crazy. It's crazy, right?
Yeah, I'm watching the Qs, coach. SQQ is on the double bottom, which is the inverse for the Qs.
Yep.
So I'm looking to may or may not pick up a couple shares.
Yeah. So now typically, listen, gang, typically, right, we would look at scalping off of this 21. If you're going to do it, just go light because we were at around that 1%, right? And if not, just wait, be patient. So those of you that are not in a trade, it's either a super light scalp off the 21 for the bounce or new high a day momentum or looking to come back down below this 779 level. Okay. So this is a pullback, just a natural stair step and pullback. So light in. Nice stops, loose positions. We don't know how much it's going to bounce or if it will at all. But once I get around 1%, it is a flag for me to start paying attention. It always has been. Always. It's just the way it is. It's how the market works. It's crazy. Trust me, the other pros out there like me, we're all looking at the same stuff. The things that I give you guys is based on that experience, knowing the psychology of other traders, which is why we're able to take advantage of all that. Yes? Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Yep, for sure.
Yep.
For sure.
Yep. Coco, see what you've been missing the whole time you've been working that shit ass 9 to 5
Oh,
job we got to get
gosh.
you out of?
Oh, trying so hard.
Must get out. Must
Oh, hate
does
it.
not compute.
I'm imploding. Yeah.
I hear you. I hear you. Soon though, right? Didn't I hear soon? Trying to?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
trying now for November.
Oh.
Forget February.
Okay, well good for you, man. I hope it all works out. For
Thank you,
everybody
honey.
else, I appreciate you. For everybody else, I'm going to start to wrap up just a little bit. I do have Yaya, are you in here?
Yes, Coach, I am.
Yay! Are we good to go for 11:30?
Yes, sir.
She's like, "Yeah, of course, dude. You've moved me around like 87 trillion times."
No,
She's
no.
she's going to
I'm
smack the
excited.
old man. She's going to smack the old man.
I know what you're bringing to the table, so
I appreciate you. Yeah, hopefully it's worth the wait.
hopefully I need some few slaps.
Appreciate you. For everybody else, by the way, like Yaya over here, who's an absolute genius, if you guys are interested in doing one-on-ones with me, I do have a couple of those available. For the last time, I'll tell you about them today, which is the tier 1, which is 50,000, gets you 3 hours per month for 6 months. Tier 2 is 100K for 4 hours a month for a year. Or the tier 3, I have one spot, $1 million, 1 year, 1 day per week, me and you. Could you imagine the things that we could do in that time? It's glorious. Some of you are like, oh my gosh, that's really expensive. I have people in here making 30, 40, 50, $100 million, right? Results not guaranteed, obviously, but I'll let you figure it out. I'll let you figure it out if it was worth it or not. Mark, last hand up, and then I got to go. Talk to me.
Just a follow up on the 200. When it doesn't bounce off the 200 and it pulls underneath. Yesterday we talked about like we would take it off the bounce, and then if it crashed through, we would go short. Let's say. When do we know not to, or like if we're taking it off the bounce of the 200? When do we get out? When do we know it's below?
I thought we went over that yesterday.
I guess that's what I get. I'm a little confused. So like
your variance, that's your variance, right? So
looking at Apple, can we look at Apple at 945?
Yep. Give me 1 sec. We'll look at SPY first, just because it's on my screen. Do you see SPY right here? Here's the 200.
Yes, sir.
This is $5 million. See it?
Yep.
Done. All right. Now let's look at Apple.
So it pulled below the 200 at 945, and I took the long to take it off the 200, and then I got stopped out right there, and then it went.
Okay, hold on. Oh, okay. So we need a break and hold. Remember, a break and hold if we're looking at this is the key area. So if we're trading off the 1 minute, this is the break, this is the hold. It never held below it, so you didn't have to worry about it. That means you're not shorting it. Does everybody see that?
So that 948, I got it, and the next candle opened, pulled below it, and that's when I got out.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, 948. Okay, so let's look at this. So you got in somewhere in here, right, partner?
Right above, right at the 200, right there on those, 945, 946.
Okay, I got you. So everybody in the room, let's take a look at it. Now, and I think this is, the funny thing is, when we went over the reference yesterday, looks identical to exactly what we talked about. So this is the break, this was the hold, and it stalled out, which means there is no more action to the downside, which means you were still clear for the upside. See it? I could have swore we discussed this yesterday.
We did, and that's why I'm surprised and I'm still confused.
Yep.
So that's why.
Yeah. So
typically at the bottom.
Yeah, typically the way that this looks, partner, right? Remember, this is the break, this is the hold, but the next candle has to go below it. This is exactly, if you go back to our training yesterday, the next candle has to go below it. Otherwise, this is called a what, everybody in the room?
Double bottom.
A stalled candle, which typically means it's going to reverse. There's not the continuation. There's not the continued momentum here, right?
Yes.
So you were still clear to hold, partner, unless.
Yeah, I know. I got back in above VWAP. It
Oh,
took a
good.
little
Okay.
time.
Yeah, good,
But,
good.
I just kind of got stalled out. And I was like, I got obviously frustration.
Yeah, and that's okay. That's okay. It takes a little bit of finesse, and you have to be able to handle some of this stuff, right? But if you look at this, so you were right in the idea. This was the break.
Right.
This is the hold, which we wanted to close below the previous farthest point, which is here, right? But because this next candle did not go down at all below the break and hold candle, that is not get out, because most likely it just stalled, which it did, and then it reverses. And this is why I always talk about. Remember yesterday I even said in the class, I never talk about candles because I never give a shit about candles ever. But I said, and I quote, I always talk about a stalled candle, though, don't I? That
So,
candle.
One more just to follow up. I'm looking at IWM at the moment, and you can see how it broke below VWAP. When would we have gotten short on that one? If we would have went long on the VWAP
Well,
to take it on the VWAP bounce, we would have taken it short, I guess, when?
Okay, so we're asking a lot of. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. That's why maybe we should wait for Wednesday.
Yeah, no worries. So you're scalping, I assume, right?
I was playing with the VWAP bounces and the 200 bounces today.
Okay, I got you. Okay, so let's look at it. Here's a VWAP bounce. This is a VWAP bounce. This is a VWAP bounce. This is a VWAP reversal. This was a VWAP bounce. Okay. Look at it. No break and hold. VWAP bounce. Great. You did it. This one, if we were like, yeah, let's do it again, and it broke through and held, I'm out. See it?
Right. Yep.
Okay. Then what did it do? Came up. What do we do on VWAP? Reversal. Yay, you made money. So you made money on 1, lost on 2, made money on 3, came back up to VWAP, and you're like, hey, it came back up to VWAP. It did reverse. See it to here?
Uh-huh.
Bingo, that's 4. Then it came back up and it finally popped through. Okay. And then we have to go, okay, which side do we want to go? Which is obviously harder because it's on VWAP. But if we look at it, it clearly showed us support, 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 support. Took off. Double top, right? But this again, VWAP bounce, double top, VWAP bounce. It bounced up to here. It hit it again. It bounced up to here. You had 2 opportunities. It finally broke through. This is where you get out right here. And this is where we're at now. So it's a lot of.
That was the question is like,
stuff.
you wouldn't ever think about going short now when it bounced below VWAP and holding.
It depends on, it really depends. Like in here, yeah, I'm shorting it, but I'm only shorting it to the 200. See this 200?
Yep.
Which it's on right now. So I don't want to clearly short when I'm right in the bounce spot, right? And now when it gets down here, short again. It gets up here, long again, because it's going to be looking for this quad top. See it?
Yeah, it's interesting. It's definitely, it just kind of breaks below the VWAP a little bit, or it breaks below the 200 a little bit, and then usually goes in your direction.
Yep, correct. You just have to be able, that's why I say small positions, looser stops, let it work. But this is also why scalping is the hardest thing in the world to do, right?
Yes, sir.
It's the hardest in the world to do. By the way, as I'm running out the door, does everybody see my
Coach.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Does everybody see my rectangle box up here where I told you to start to be cautious at this 1% mark? Do you see it?
Yes, we do.
Isn't that funny? I want you guys to all think about this for a minute. There is absolutely nothing to the left. You had nothing to look at, right? There was no way you could have ever in a million years. Hey, stop drawing on my screen, Jay. Thanks. There is not a chance in a million years you would have known, look for a pullback or resistance here. Am I right? How could you have known that if you were not sitting in the room with me? How the frick would you have known that exact spot? Tell me now.
You wouldn't.
You wouldn't. There's no way in hell ever. There's no way, none of you in a million years, including all of my trainers, moderators, everybody in the room, there's no way in hell none of you would have got that right. Unless you were sitting in the room with me, because that's what I train you on. Appreciate all of you. Love your faces. But that's why I always look when it gets close to that 1% for a pullback. It usually will always try to come off of that range. And what do you know? 1%. It hit 0.89 or 0.9%, pulled all the way the frick back to VWAP. Is that amazing or what? We did that in real time, by the way.
Amazing.
That's
Right?
amazing.
Yeah, we did that in real time every day, right?
Hey, coach.
Yes.
Got out of my own way. Best day of the month. Over 1% green in my account. Thank you.
Yes, Taji. And you did exactly what I said for this week, right?
I did.
Yes.
And I took 2
Yes.
great trades.
Yeah.
I stayed in it.
Yes, I'm so proud of you. Isn't that funny if we just get
Thank
the
you,
hell
Coach.
out of our own way?
Yeah,
Trust
that's
the
like
training.
80% of it.
It's hard though,
For me.
right? Especially when you're super
is.
intelligent, right? Taji,
Had to
getting
be.
in your own freaking way, over psychoanalyzing your own self.
Totally.
But right now, do I want to make the trade because I feel good about the workout I had this morning? The protein shake was on point. The Starbucks person was exceptionally well today. Is this where the trade is actually coming from, or is this a natural bounce?
All of
I'm gonna
those things
think
go through
about.
my
You know
mind.
what? I'm gonna think about this for a while. Oh shit! I should have got it.
Yeah. But that was the boot camp advice yesterday, so I appreciate it.
Yes,
Thank you so
you're
much.
very welcome. Good job. Okay, now I got to get the hell out of here. Yeah, they're trying to burn up my voice so I can't talk to you. You hear
Stop it,
them?
guys. Stop it.
You
I've been
hear
waiting
'em.
for this.
You hear them? They're like, we're gonna use this old man up. We're gonna use them all up right
no,
now.
I need your energy, coach. Just
All right,
log off.
okay, all right. I'm gonna reserve it. I'm gonna reserve it. Now I got to go to my happy place for about 30 minutes so I can come in and we can just tear it up. All right, everybody, I appreciate you. Thank you again to all my moderators, military family, and my first responders. I'm gone. Moderators, you have control of the board. Thank you for all those new follows, the likes. Thank you, everybody, for your kind generosity of all those tips that you guys sent my way. I appreciate it every day. Thank you for telling people about American Dream Trading. It really does help the business. It helps us. It helps the entire community. It allows us to have more trained staff, more rooms, more programs, more things to be able to deliver, right? Saturday training, 2-minute EWO, Apple rooms, and all this other craziness that we do all the time. That's what all of this helps for. So thank you guys. I do appreciate. Love your faces. I'm out. Hold on a second. Taji, Orange, you glad?
Glad.
You didn't eat the fish tacos this morning that you saw at 7-Eleven in that warm water.
That's right.
Oof. Eesh. Eesh.
Bye, coach.
Bye. Appreciate you.
Oh, my stomach just turned.
Hold on.